Hey, how you doing? So the property I was talking about is right here. So you see this is Dwayne project. So it's right here. So this whole area right here. Let me zoom in. So right here. Alright. So this whole area here is the property. Um so I have May brief from so each lot have a May brief already. Um so you see this one is 2,229. Um so next one, you see this one is 2,000 square meters. Uh, Let me see. See, this one I think is a little lower down. This is 2,000. So all of them is 2,000, right? Um, yeah, this one is 1,697. So you see, you have different lots. All of them have their own Maple. This one is okay. They have one that is 387. So it's in this area. Let me know. I'll send you a Google map. But the line is pretty. It's not too steep. It's soft slope. The entrance is. See, they have an entrance here and here. All right. So we talk more about it.